Storm blue. Work behind the work. One puff 3 in the chain 2 space of the round 12. Bring the stitch forward and go over the chains of the round 13 and bring it back. Fasten with 1 slip stitch. Chains 3. One single crochet in the chain 6 space of the round 13. Chains 3. One single crochet in the same space. Chains 4. One single crochet in the next chain 6 space. Chains 3. One single crochet in same space. Chains 3. Repeat 3 more times. Close with 1 slip stitch in the closing chain of the first puff. Total: 4 puff, 4 chains 4, 8 chains 3. Gold. Work behind the work. One single crochet in the first chains 3 space of the round 16. Work 1 puff in the center of each popcorn of the round 15 separated by chains 3. One single crochet in the next chains 3 space. Chains 5. Repeat 3 more times. Close with 1 slip stitch in the first single crochet. Total 20 puff, 8 single crochets, 4 chains 5, 16 chains 3. Storm blue. Work in the chains 5 space of the round 17. 1 single crochet. Chains 3. 1 single crochet. Chains 1. Close the following stitches together. 1 single crochet front post in the puff of the round 17. 2 double crochets in the chains 1 space of the round 15. 1 slip stitch. Work in the next 3 puff. Chains 4. Close the following stitches together. 2 double crochets in the chains 1 space of the round 15. 1 single crochet front post in the puff. 2 double crochets in the next chain 1 space of the round 15. One slip stitch. In the last puff close targeter, 2 double crochets in the chains 1 space of the round 15. 1 single crochet front post. 1 slip stitch. Chain 1. Repeat 3 more times. Tomato. 1 single crochet in chains 3 space of the round 18. Chains 2. Bring forward the 3 chains of the round 17 and work 3 double crochet close together. Chains 2. 3 double crochet close together. Chain 1. Repeat this sequence 3 more times. Chains 2. Repeat 3 more times. Close with 1 slip stitch in the first single crochet. Total 32 3 double crochets close together. 4 single crochets, 24 chains 2, 16 chain 1. Lime. 8 double crochets in the chains 3 space of the round 15. One single crochet front post in the 3 double crochets close together of the round 19. Chains 4. One single crochet front post in the next 3 double crochets close together. Chains 2. Repeat this sequence 4 more times. Repeat 3 more times. Close with 1 slip stitch in the first double crochet. Total, 32 double crochets, 32 single crochets front post, 16 chains 4, 20 chains 2. Dark brown. Work in double crochets of the round 24 groups of 2 double crochets front posts separated by chains 2. Three half double crochets in the chains 2 space of the round 19. One single crochet front post and single crochet front post of the round 20. One triple front post. 1 single crochet front post in the next single crochet front post of the round 20. Repeat. Repeat 3 more times. Close with 1 slip stitch. Total: 12 triples front post, 32 double crochets front post, 48 half double crochets, 24 single crochets, 12 chains 2.